Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show how to add a countdown timer to OBS Studio. So what you want to do first is you want to go to sources, you want to add a text source, and you can adjust the properties if you like, but for now we're not going to tweak them. What we're going to do is we're going to search up obsproject.com and we're going to go for the advanced timer that's been created by OBS Lua. And what you want to do is you want to click download, and then you want to click the first thing that shows up here, advanced timer.lua. After you've downloaded that, you want to head over to the scripts folder for OBS Studio. And then once you're in the script, you want to add your advanced timer.lua to this folder so that once we open that up in the tools and then scripts, you want to add the advanced timer.lua. And then once it's been added, it'll show up here, and you want to make sure that in your text source, you want to connect your text to your text source so that it'll be properly displayed on your screen. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If this video helped, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.